Hi everyone, my name is Oroma Mpi-Reynolds. I am the founder and owner of a special needs law practice in New York called MSR Legal and Consulting Services. And today is Father's Day. It's also Juneteenth. And it is also, I became aware, World Sickle Cell Disease Day. So the United Nations many years ago designated June 19th as World Sickle Cell Day to bring attention to this public health issue and to promote education about it. So sickle cell disease is a blood disorder where the red blood cells are shaped like a moon, and that sickle shape prevents the adequate movement of oxygen to the various organs in the body, thereby causing very, very serious pain, crises, and organ damage, sometimes organ failure, and other associated illnesses. And as a special needs attorney, I first would want to make sure that my clients or the child with a chronic health condition can access their education. So that may mean a temporary home instruction plan. It could mean a special health care plan that's attached to the child's IEP. It could also be a 504 plan with accommodations to enable that child to access their education, whether it's accommodations in the classroom, within the building itself, accommodations for additional services to make up for missed instructional time or missed related services as a result of medical appointments or hospitalizations. There definitely should be a plan in place and ready to go into effect immediately and as often as needed throughout the school year. And like any other disability or disabling condition, it may not occur in isolation. So if your child does have a learning disability in addition to sickle cell disease, or a developmental disability in addition to sickle cell disease, your child may need a type of plan that is more supportive than what a 504 plan can offer. So if you believe your child is in need of a different type of delivery of instruction or modification of instruction in order to make progress in school, then your child may be in need of an IEP. So it's really important from my perspective as a special education attorney that your child's evaluations are up to date, and that you are including the input and feedback of your child's medical professionals in the educational planning process. So that means for sickle cell patients, your hematologist, your primary care physician, any other specialist, nephrologist, cardiologist, and really including them in this process of understanding your child's needs with respect to education, and hopefully getting some recommendations from them that you can then take to your school district and help advocate for the right services or funding for private services or private school. Follow me on Instagram at MSR Legal Consulting. You can follow me on Twitter and YouTube at MSR Legal Oroma, OROMA. And if you do have further questions, you can book a consultation on my website, www.msrlegal.org. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your weekend.